Good noon, dear learners. Hopefully, all of you are well. I'm ready with my lecture. I'll be lecturing on English first paper today, and it's unit on lesson 2, and it's about one of the greatest leaders of the world of all time. First of all, let's read a quotation from the leader. I have cherished the idea of a democratic and free society in which all persons live together in harmony and with equal opportunities. It's an ideal I hope to live for and to achieve, but if needs be, it's an ideal for which I am prepared to die. Yes, dear learners, this is from Nelson Mandela, the greatest leader. We pay homage to him because of his great contribution to the whole humanity. Let's learn more about the person from the text. It's at page 7. Listen to Nelson Mandela, from apartheid fighter to president. You see from here. Okay. And this topic, newspaper item, appeared in Reuters on 15 December 2013. Johannesburg, Reuters. Nelson Mandela guided South Africa from the shackles of apartheid to a multiracial democracy as an icon of peace and reconciliation who came to embody the struggle for justice around the world. Nelson Mandela guided South Africa from the shackles of apartheid, বর্ণ বৈষম্য সংক্রান্ত যে রীতি তার নিগড় বা শিকল থেকে সাউথ আফ্রিকাকে মুক্ত করে একটি গণতান্ত্রিক সমাজ ব্যবস্থার দিকে গাইড বা ধাবিত করেছিলেন, পরিচালিত করেছিলেন নেলসন ম্যান্ডেলা। As an icon of peace and reconciliation, শান্তি এবং সমঝোতার একজন আদর্শ হিসাবে তিনি এই কাজটি করেছিলেন। Who came to embody the struggle for justice around the world, এবং এভাবেই তিনি গোটা বিশ্বব্যাপী ন্যায় বা জাস্টিস এর ধারক বা বাহক হয়েছিলেন। Imprisoned for nearly 3 decades for his fight against white minority rule, Mandela never lost his resolve to fight for his people's emancipation. It is said, though he had been imprisoned for nearly 3 decades, he never came out of his determination to free his people. Emancipation, that does mean freedom. Result means determination. In Bangla we may say Dridho Proত্যয়. He was determined to bring down apartheid while avoiding a civil war. Apartheid নামক যে বর্ণবৈষম্যবাদী রীতি, তিনি সেটার অবসান ঘটাতে চেয়েছিলেন বা প্রত্যয়ী ছিলেন। Bring down, to remove or to put an end. His prestige and charisma helped him win the support of the world. তার ব্যক্তিত্বের গভীরতা এবং Bhaktittva as a whole, we may say, his personality helped him to win the support of the whole world. Let's see what he says later while becoming the president of South Africa. I hate race discrimination most intensely and in all its manifestations. Mandela says he hated discrimination, racial discrimination mostly, and hated all sorts of discrimination. He also says, I have fought it all during my lifetime. I will fight it now and will do so until the end of my life. End of my days. That does mean end of my life. He says he had fought against racial discrimination during his lifetime, and he would fought it then and would do so until the end of his days or his life. Mandela said in his acceptance speech on becoming the South Africa's first black president in 1994. Excuse me. The time for the healing of the wounds has come. The moment to bridge the seasons that divide us has come. And later, Mandela said, it was the time to heal the wounds among the people, the black people, or his people. And the season, we may say, odds that stood on the way of a peaceful society that divided the people of South Africa, or we may say the white and the black. He says the time has come to end this sort of discrimination. He said, we have at last achieved our political emancipation. In 1993, Mandela was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize, an honor he shared with F.W. de Klerk or Patrick William de Klerk, the white African leader who had freed him from prison 3 years earlier and negotiated the end of apartheid. Dear learners, you know, in 1990, the then African leader or President Patrick William de Klerk negotiated with Mandela and his people to put an end of apartheid, and that's why he, along with Nelson Mandela, were awarded Nobel Peace Prize in 1993. Mandela went on to play a prominent role on the world stage as an advocate of human dignity in the face of challenges ranging from political repression to AIDS. Mandela did not remain idle. Instead, until his death, he worked for the whole humanity, even in some odd situation like political repression and AIDS throughout the world. Dear learners, that's all for the day. Hopefully, you will be with me in my next class on the same topic, and I will be continuing with the topic to the end in that class. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.